Another question, how to maintain this truck?
Oh, you don't need to worry about it. You just need to charge the battery fully before you use it and add electrolytes regularly.
Okay, thank you very much for your introduction. And I still have a problems. I have a customer wanted to buy a truck to use in his warehouse, and the axle wide is only 2 meters. He wants to move his goods up to 10 meters. Do you have any suggestion for the forklift and for the working condition?
What a coincidence. Next, I'm going to introduce the forklift. It's especially for your working conditions. Please look at this truck.
Okay.
This is our VNA truck.
Oh, very nice truck.
1.5 ton. You can see this truck is a special design, so it can be rotated 180 degrees.
Yes.
Allowing the operator to access both sides of the rack without to move the truck body. It's very convenient.
Okay.
And for the lifting height, we can up to 11 meters for this truck. Otherwise, as you mentioned before, your iOS only 2 meters, but our iOS need only 1.72 meters for this truck.
Yes, very interesting. Have any other advantages for it?
Of course. First, we are the first supplier produce VNA truck in China. And second, for the master steel, we use from Germany. So it's more, quality is more reliable and durable.
Yes, looks very strong. And as when the lifting is up to 10 meters, how about the capacity, loading capacity?
Oh, good question. When the lifting up to 10 meters, we still have 700 and 550 kilograms.
Yes, that's very great. Our goods is just about 600 kilograms, and we no need to worry about it. How about the battery capacity?
Oh, for this battery, we use the 48 voltage and 850 Ah battery. UK brand Hawker the option.
I'm very interested in for this truck. Can I have a test for it?
Of course, please, this way.
Okay.
Before you have a test, I want to show more feature about this truck. Please look at this sideboard. It's very easy to open, you see.
Yeah, I have a little of motors inside.
Yes. This one is driver motor, and this one is a steering motor, and this one is lifting motor.
Yes, okay, very nice.
You see, it can fully open, so it's very convenient to maintenance.
Okay, thank you. Let me try.
This button is a safety pedal. If you want to start work, you must put your foot on the pedal. Otherwise, it won't start work.
Just like this?
Right.
Okay, thank you.
This is a steering wheel unit with GPS system, so it's very flexible when steering.
I have seen a lot of joystick here. How can I use it?
The first button is for master lifting, and the second button is for side shifter, and the third button is for rotating. As I mentioned before, we can rotate 180 degrees.
Yeah, good design.
For the yellow button is for speed control. The black button is for forward and backward control.
Okay.
The third one is for lights.
Okay.
The green one is for home.
Okay. Very nice truck.
You can check on your head is a screen. Have a guess what is the function?
Yeah, just let me open it and have a look. Oh, I see a camera here, and from the videos, I just can see the working condition. It is very clear for me. Very nice.
It's very useful for your lifting height. When the master up to high place, you can see very clearly by eye in the high place.
Okay.
But you can check the situation from the screen very clearly, and it's safety design.
Okay, please stand up and let me try it.
Okay.
Okay, so first let me try the mast lifting.
Our VNA height can up to 11 meters.
Side shift.
Now it's a side shift function. It can move right and left smoothly.
Turning.
now is the rotating function. It can rotate 180 degrees. It's very easy for operator to access both sides of the rack without move the truck body.
Okay, thank you, Jimmy. It is a very nice check, and thanks for your explanation for it. And after visiting your factory, I have an interest to buy your forklift and to be the agent. So, what kind of support your forklift gave to his agent?
Oh, I'm happy for it. If you become our agent, in addition to special price provide, we can also provide technician support and advertising support. If necessary, we can arrange an engineer to training for you.
Okay, thank you, Judy. I am very interested to be the dealer of the forklift. I will send all my order details to you by email.
Oh, that's great. Of course, I will provide our best offer to you.